In English, all written letters are not uttered or pronounced. As you can see, like W, U, E, S, T, and S, these are not pronounced, right? When you say, for example, check, UE is not pronounced, right? And Q is pronounced with K sound. Check. At the same time, right, W is silent, mosque, U is silent, and so, W is silent, guard, U is silent, and match, T is silent, it's not pronounced, and island, S is silent. At the same time, Isle, right, S is silent. So make sure to understand this silent letter or letter.